Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking on a quick tutorial guide on how to fill in the necessary information required for your return policy. So when you're logged into your account, on the left hand side of your screen, you navigate to the settings button, and when you click on it, when the page is displayed, you scroll down to the return policy, and then you click on it. When you click on it, a tab is displayed where you can fill out the necessary information when a customer would like to make a return. So after you're done filling out the necessary information as regards your return policy, you've gone through it and you see that everything is correct, you can click on the save changes. And just like that, you have successfully included your return policy. See you in our next tutorial. Bye for now.